I have found a simple to use AI video editor that helps you edit videos faster while producing an even better result. You see, video editing is extremely important, but it is also extremely time consuming, which very often makes you rush a video just to meet your deadline. Now today, that will change because this AI video editor is capable of doing all the brain-dead editing work, saving you a bunch of time. It will remove the ums, the pauses, and all of the mistakes from your videos in just one single click. It will remove any background noise, apply subtitles automatically, and it can even do the eye contact correction in case you were looking anywhere else but the camera lens, which, trust me, happens to a lot of us, but is a big mistake. So the editing tool I'm referring to is called VEED.io. If you want to follow along this tutorial, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. But once you've signed up for your account, you'll land on the dashboard, which looks like this. Now, VEED.io is an all-in-one content tool. However, to use the AI features, you want to click on AI edits in the middle of the screen right here. This will open up a bunch of features. Now, whenever you're gonna edit a video, the first step is always to remove all of the mistakes from the raw recording. And so I have this raw recording right here, which I want to remove all the silences and mistakes for. Now, to remove all of my mistakes, pauses, silences, and ums from this video, I'm gonna go to the remove silence feature right here. I'm gonna click on this, which is gonna open up a project in the video editor. From here, it's gonna ask me to upload a file. And so I'm gonna add my raw video in here. The video is now gonna upload inside of the editor, and they're automatically gonna cut out all these silences, mistakes, and whatever. Now this is great because if you've ever edited a video before, you will know how much time it takes you to cut out all of the mistakes. Depending on the video length, this can add up into the hours, which now you can get done by an AI just like that. And there we go. So right now, they have removed all of these silences in our video, but that's not all they have to offer yet, because there's also a feature called VEED's Magic Cut. This one instantly gets rid of all the mistakes that you made while recording. Now to find this, you can click on search and then click on Magic Cut, which is currently in beta mode. However, if you click on this, then click on continue, the AI is now gonna pick your best takes, remove awkward pauses, filler words, and much more. And there we go, that is now all done as well. I've hired a full-time video editor for my channel. Now that's something that you can do later down the line as well. Now that the timeline for a video is correct, we can improve the audio by applying the clean audio filter. Let's say that during your recording, there was unexpected background noise. Don't worry, because VEED can easily remove that. Now, I would actually love to have this 10 months ago when I was recording my now most popular video on this channel. Because as I was recording, delivering all the value I intended to, someone in my house started vacuum cleaning, which you can actually hear at this part of the video. Now, what you could potentially do is include multiple keywords in your title. Now, if I would have had VEED 10 months ago, here's what I could do. On any video that you're editing, you can simply click on the clean audio filter. Once you apply that, VEED.io will filter away any background noise that appears throughout your video. Now, as in this video, I was actually in my recording studio, no background noise happened. However, let me apply the clean audio filter on that vacuum cleaner part in my most popular YouTube video. So I've just loaded in that part into VEED.io. All I'm gonna do now is click clean audio right there, and it's gonna filter away the vacuum cleaner as much as possible. Here's what it now sounds like. Now, what you could potentially do is include multiple keywords in your title. Now, this is a very simple feature. However, for any content creator out there, this might save you from having to record a video again. Instead of having to re-record that whole part, you can now just submit it into this tool and it will be fixed. So at this moment, we already have a very solid video. But something that's really important when editing your video is the personal connection you're able to build with your viewer. And that's where the eye correction feature comes in. You see, the best thing you can do when making a video is to look directly into the camera lens like I am doing right now. You see, if I would record a video like this the entire time, not looking at you directly, but slightly looking next to the camera on the preview screen, this will probably make it feel really unpersonal. And so if you've ever recorded a video where for the entire video or parts of your video, you looked anywhere but the camera lens, you can apply the eye contact tool from VEED. So with any video that you make with VEED, once you've loaded in the clip, you can click on eye contact under the Magic AI tools, and VEED.io will then correct this for you. Let me show you the result. And so right now, I will switch from looking directly into the camera to now looking at the preview screen on my camera. So right now what you're seeing, I'm not even looking into the lens directly in real life, but because of the feature that VEED.io has, it makes it look like I actually am. That looks pretty good, huh? I really do believe that this is an underrated feature. With all of that said, now for our video, there's just one small thing missing, which are captions. You see, any popular video these days, whether it be long form or short form content, has captions. And the reason is simple. Number one, it enables viewers that are not in an environment to watch your video with audio to still consume your video. Number two, I don't really see this one talked about a lot, but it engages your viewers more. You see, watching a video is a very passive thing to do. However, when you're reading, you are actively doing something. VEED.io has many different captions available. You can do so automatically, by the way, by clicking on subtitles once your entire video is done. Choose the language that is being spoken and then click auto subtitle in English. Once you do this, VEED.io is going to figure out what is set in the video and automatically apply captions throughout your entire video, which later on you can then customize. And there we go, the captions are now on my video. From here, I can change the sizing, the font, the placement, all by simply clicking on it. And so let me just go with this font right there, which I personally really like. And then I'll change the sizing to this so that it shows up in a better way and makes it easier to read for my viewers. Video editing is really important for the success of your channel, which is why in today's video, I will be showing you the best video editors for whatever type of level you are currently at. And so I really do like VEED.io as an all-in-one content tool because they actually have many more features, including AI avatars for in your videos, stock videos, which you can add in at any moment, stock music, effects, filters, text-to-speech voiceovers available in many languages, and a lot more. So if you want to try out VEED yourself, check out the link in the description down below. Let me know if you'd like to see a full, very long form tutorial for this platform. With that said, I'll see you next time.